Hello, my name is Prince Obajowo Daniel Dinicole, also known as the Mathaholic Arithophysical Biologist. So, in conjunction with BIA, that is Boma Intellectual Academy, I present the topic for discussion, and that is gas laws. Now, it is an established fact that the behavior of gases is described by gas laws, which include Boyle's Law, Charles' Law, ID gas law, general gas law, Dalton law of partial pressure, Graham's law of diffusion of gases, Gay-Lussac's law, and Avogadro's law. So, to kick the ball rolling or started, let us start with the first one, which is the Boyle's law. Boyle's law. Now, what is Boyle's law? Boyle's law states that the volume of a fixed mass of gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. I repeat, the volume of a fixed mass of gas is inversely proportional to its pressure, provided the temperature is kept constant. So mathematically, we can actually say V varies inversely as what? As P. Now, to actually form this relationship into a mathematical equation, we can replace this proportionality sign with an equal sign with constant. So on that note, we have V to be equals to K times 1 over P. Are you following through? So now our goal here is to make the K the subject of formula. Doing so, we are going to cross multiply. Now by cross multiplication, we have K to be equals to Vp. Now, due to changes in the volume and the pressure, this constant can also be equal to what? Equal to V1 P1. It can be equals to V2 P2 as the case may be. Now, since constant is equal to all of this, we can actually take two of these expression, or we can actually bring out the equation of Boyle's law by considering two-sided mathematical expression, and that is taking V1 P1 being equals to what? V2 P2. So we can state that this equation is the mathematical expression for Boyle's law, where your V1 is the initial volume of the gas, P1 is the initial pressure of the gas, V2 is the final volume of the gas, and P2 is the the final pressure of the gas. But then you might want to represent Boyle's law graphically. How do we represent Boyle's law graphically? You can actually represent Boyle's law in this format. You draw a Cartesian plane with the positive and negative, the positive axis, the positive x-axis and the positive y-axis. Then you place P here, you place V here. Are you get what I'm saying now? So the graph can go this way, or you actually place P here, you place V here. Now remember, since V and P are inversely proportional, we can call that a decreasing function. On that note, the graph can go this way. Can you see that? So these are some ways, or better still, you can actually present the graph in this format as well, where you have P here, or let's say we have V here. For example, we have V here at the y-axis. Then we have 1 over P here. Then the graph will go upward this way. So these are ways in which you can graphically represent Boyle's law. So don't forget, the equation for Boyle's law is V1 P1 equals to what? V2 P2. Don't forget, I still remain your tutor, Prince Obajowo Daniel Dinicole, also known as the Mathaholic Arithophysical Biologist.